Oh, we're going downhill already. That sucks. That means the very, very end of the hike you have to climb up. This will probably be the coolest thing I've done with the drone.
I see a snake. I'm pushing you in front of it.
Oh, that's cool.
You brought your gun, right, Chris?
It's in my back pocket. You want to know the funny part of that? I don't have back pockets. Tell me how I have 5 bars out here right now.
Hey, you know what? There might be fog up there.
That's what I was saying. You guys call me crazy. Cool thing is, once you're at the top, to get down, you sit down and just slide. Is it frowned upon to poop in the bushes out here?
Nope.
I had curiosity and now I have nothing.
Stay on the trail, Chris.
This is a trail. Look at it. I didn't make this path just now. Yeah, look at the trail marker. See this wood in the path? That's an arrow saying you should go this way.
No, it's not even supposed to be that hot today.
Why am I sweating?
Because you're doing activities.
I love activities. You know, if I put a bunk bed in my room, I'd have so much more room for activities.
Yeah.
Well, Chris and Amanda are tired already, so this is where we're stopping.
What? We're there. This is it. Just kidding. Those are freaking huge. Climb under there. Let's go under the rocks.
Just tell them we were making out down here. Excuse me.
It's cool, but it's honestly like scary, like knowing it can like just shift.
Let's get out of here then.
Ah, big step. Shouldn't have ate that pizza last night.
See Chris fail. Come on.
Oh, whoa.
What sucks is you get a fall backwards. You get land on your drone.
Thanks, Josh. Thanks. Woo! I love it. I need to have a control tower.
Bye. I'm scared, Chris. I'm scared.
Chris, come back.
Whoa. Whoa. Hey, Chris, come back. Whoosh. Gotta film this little fiasco. Morning.
Good morning.
How's it going? Good, how you doing? I want a pet lizard. Come here.
Look, you made it fall.
Did I?
You jerk.
Chris, support your woman.
I am. The only thing I can support her with is my arm to lean on. Just gotta keep restating this just so she's aware. That's all I have to offer. A shoulder to cry on maybe when she's crying that we're in debt.
How's it going? Morning.
Hey,
Morning.
how you doing?
How's it going?
Where you from?
I could be like the pros and talk about it just like packs. Like, yeah, I just flew 1 pack, about to fly pack 2.
You're a chain flyer, man. You fly 2 packs a day.
Josh, man, you're funny.
I got jokes. Tell my wife that. Can you say that?
You're facing down, you couldn't see me. After that pizza last night. Oh, stairs.
We're halfway there. Whoa, whoa.
Living on.
Have you seen the video of that guy cracking up because he supplements the last part of that song? He goes, whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, sitting on a chair.
No, I need to see it though.
Oh yeah, lizard on a chair. Here, come here.
I think he's gonna look up right now. Is that a lizard on a chair? Shout out to Bon Jovi meme guy. Oh, it's buckled on there.
It's on me.
Get it off.
It's on me.
Go, go, go. I thought you were saying it's on me. I didn't realize you were saying baton me. Ah! Yeah! Miss, yeah! Are you excited to go hiking?
It's a nice view of the Superstition that we're driving away.
Trying to like drink water.
Just go, I'll be gentle.